Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on GBP CHF? Let's make a full breakdown. So starting from the monthly time frame, what we have is a market that clearly has approached a very strong support area here on the monthly time frame. In fact, from here the market has started all this huge rejection to the upside. Again, the market tested the zone here and got rejected to the upside. Then again, the market tested this extremely strong demand area here and got rejected. And now the market is testing this zone multiple times again. And we can already see that the market rejected quite a lot of times. And from here, can we expect more continuation to the upside? Yes. Okay, we still expect the market to actually give us a strong rejection from the zone. However, there is one thing that we must consider. At the moment, the market is still below monthly structure. In fact, we can see that the real structure of the market is actually here, which the market is currently retesting as resistance. So we can expect a rejection to the downside. Okay, it's very, very important that we keep in mind that on the monthly, we still haven't broken the resistance to the upside. Going down on the weekly, what we can see. On the weekly time frame, we can see that we have a very nice W formation. We have down, up, down, up. After a W formation, what do you expect? You expect the market to go down and make a test of the neckline, which is exactly what the market is currently doing. So on the weekly, nothing really interesting. The market is retesting previous resistance now towards support. So we do have a little bit of support from the weekly. However, on the monthly, as we have just seen, we have strong resistance. Going down on the daily, what do we have? Now on the daily time frame, situation is the most interesting because we consider the market has just broken above a quite strong range. In fact, the market was ranging inside of the zone between this support and this resistance, and now the market has broken this area to the upside, and all this previous resistance is now turned support at this area. So basically, we have a market that on the daily has created a strong impulse and is currently retesting previous resistance, which is now turned support. Now, can we be looking for from here for the continuation to the upside? We can. However, we must be conscious and we must know that it's extremely risky because on the monthly, as we have just seen, we also have monthly resistance. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, what the biggest banks and institutions are currently doing on the pound and on the CHF, what we can see. Now, from a pound perspective, we can see that with the last report, institutions have closed 6.9K shorts and opened they have closed 6.9K longs and opened 3.4K shorts, bringing net positions at minus 25K. So clearly in the short term, institutions have been selling the pound. And if we go and see what we have from a CHF perspective, we can see that institutions have been buying the CHF with net positions increasing from 1K to 8K, bringing the longs all the way up from 9 to 17K. So definitely CHF getting stronger and GBP getting sold. And that is the reason for which we have seen this sharp move to the downside and retracement on GBP CHF. So that this is how you can understand that it's even more risky to be looking for any longs from here. But at the moment, until the market is above this support, this is the only thing that we can really do because we can't be looking for any shorts on the pair. So either we stay on the sidelines or the only opportunity is if inside of this area, we will see from a daily perspective, not from a 4-hour perspective yet. Remember, monthly, weekly, and daily are for direction. The 4-hour is for entry, but in this case, it's too premature to be looking for an entry. So what we have to first see here is a clear deceleration from a daily perspective. And only at that point, it means that institutions have started to add more longs on the GBP, started to add some shorts on the pound. And at that point, we can be looking for the continuation. So first, with students, we will be looking for a nice deceleration here on the daily time frame. And only at that point, after we have seen a deceleration on the daily time frame, at that point, we will be looking for the continuation to the upside if on the 4-hour time frame, we will have seen proper confirmations. So first thing, we need to see a daily deceleration, and then we can be looking for potential long opportunities with students from a 4-hour perspective. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.